Hello YouTube, Dion from M.A.D with the unboxing of this car headrest holder by Trust. This is ideal for tablets and it can be mounted on the pillars of your headrest in your car. It is suitable for a Nintendo Switch. So let's open the box and check it closely. Now this box seems a little bit thin to me. It can be peeled off. As I can see here, we have another box inside the box. So okay, let it cut all through and check the real box, the real cardboard one inside. Now as you can see here, this is just a piece of paper. This seems to be more for aesthetic reasons. The whole idea is to have the second box to protect the product. So let me take this off by cutting the edges here. Okay, so there we go, that should do it. And here we have the second box here. This one, okay, now this one seems to be repackaged and sold as a gaming line product. This is Trust Urban, and here we have all the compatible brands. And as you can see, this is a car headset tablet holder. So this seems to be the original packaging for this product. Now checking the specs of this tablet holder, it seems to be adjustable and have some moving parts. It is compatible with all major brands and this is a universal one, so you won't have any problem with any type of tablet. So without further ado, let's open this box again, I hope for the last time, and check the product and see how's the build quality and if it's worth your money. So okay, we are opening again this box. This was the original one. So this is the original unboxing experience of this product. Yeah, and here we have another packaging here with this tray, and this is it. This is the whole product. We have some paperwork also here. Here we have a user's manual, as you can see here. There's also an FAQ, so you can ask there why this is a gaming product. Yeah, as we can see here, this is a mountable contraption. It has some special clips that can grab on the pillars, then connect the holder, then you add your tablet and adjust the clamps and it's stable. And now here, whoops, we have also, ironically, a safety seat for the car holder. You should just check this one. And first of all, you should drive safely. But enough with the paperwork, let's check out the tablet holder. So this is the part that connects with the pillars. There are some special clamps here that can be adjusted to the length, and a locking mechanism that keeps firm this part on the pillars. So here we have also a mountable point for the holder of the tablet with the clamps. Overall the build quality is quite nice. Here we have this special soft material that will protect from scratching your device, and here it is also able to adjust. This can easily hold up to a 10-inch tablet and even more, I guess. There is a locking handle here, so that will stay firm and the tablet will be stable on the clamp. Now here the mechanism feels a little bit flimsy, but it will get the job done. And here we also have the locking mechanism here that can be attached to the other part, like it's so. And here is also an internal screw that adjusts the view angle when tightening this bolt here, like it's so. And now there it is. This is the whole adjustment needed, and you can still tighten up the bolt for more stability, like it's so. Yeah, and the clamps will hold on the pillars of the headrest, and this rubberized surface will protect it from scratching. Overall, this is a good budget solution. So this was the unboxing of the Trust tablet holder for the car. You can share, like, subscribe, and as always from M.A.D, thank you for watching.